What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. My name is B. If you guys didn't know, I post Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. My main content is about cars. Sometimes I like to just vlog random things. Today, I am currently a little bit sick, so I do apologize if I sound a little different. I've been sick for a little bit. Today, I'm actually going to go ahead and show you guys with my little brother Christian how to install the side mirrors of a 2007 Mustang. Alrighty, guys, so we're here in the garage. I'm holding a light so that way you guys can get better lighting of me and Christian. Christian's going to go ahead and start removing the broken piece of plastic. There's 3 bolts on the back of this. Once you've removed the actual plastic piece that goes behind here. So as you guys can see, there's 3 bolts here. There's one right here. There's one bolt right there. There's a bolt here. And there should be a bolt down there, but unfortunately there's nothing here. These, you just righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Just remember that pattern. And you can go ahead and start unloosing them. Okay. So Christian, go ahead and start taking those off.
Okay. Well, I kind of need a wrench to do that.
Once he's gone ahead and taken those bolts off, he can go ahead and remove this plastic piece right there. Bolt number 1's gone. Good job.
Bolt number 1.
Once he's already taken off that piece of plastic, he can go ahead and slide the old mirror just right here, this one, from on this angle, as you guys can see it. He can go ahead and stick it on in, and we should be done. As you can see, he's gone ahead and we removed it. Show the viewers that piece of plastic.
This is the craziest piece of plastic.
We're just going to take the old one and we're going to line it up just like so. And we're going to go ahead and put it on in, and Christian's going to screw it back on. Now that we have all 3 bolts in, we're going to go ahead and plug this in.
The grand finale.
The grand finale.
Plugging a wire in.
Boom. Just like that. And then Christian, underneath that green bag, there's that plastic cap. Grab that plastic cap, please.
Oh, that's what hides it.
That's exactly what hides it. We can go ahead and put this to hide it just like this. What do you got to say to the viewers?
Please put a nice thumbs up. If we can get to like about 100 likes, that seems like a good amount of likes, then that'll be pretty nice. Thank you. Bow, bow.
Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and we will see you guys in the next episode. Thank you guys so much.
Bye.
Peace out.